Vanessa Weekend Villa by the Grid Architects in ALUVA, India. Vanessa Villa, where architectural serenity meets ecological harmony, redefining the essence of home. 1/4 is built, and 3/4 is a green landscape with native species of drought-friendly plants. Ethos, the project explores the balance between modern comfort and ecological harmony in this beautiful natural world. The stress of urban living is well known. Hectic schedules, uncomfortable commutes, lack of access to nature. This villa was designed as an antidote to the cumulative effect of such pressures. The home is crafted as a calming space that welcomes sunlight and greenery with open arms and adds their beneficial presence to soothing juxtapositions of pastels and timber following the philosophy of Biophilia. Note, the home's architecture effortlessly fuses light, air, greenery, materials, and scenic vistas, employing a vocabulary that holistically exudes serenity and harmony. This intuitive interaction with the forces of nature creates a dynamism that lends itself to the indoor-outdoor dialogue at the architecture's heart. The building, in turn, engages directly with its location, gradually incorporating materials from the surrounding region, drawing inspiration from the distinctive colors and textures of native stone. Devoid of artificial facade embellishments, the structure's geometry prioritizes function over form, accentuating a balanced coexistence. In adherence to climate-responsive architectural principles, recessed windows and pockets of terraces are strategically integrated to mitigate the relentless heat of the area. The layout evolved organically, tailored to the family's unique requirements, resulting in a home with a comforting and hospitable ambience. As you cross the threshold, you're embraced by the twin spaces, with the indoor swimming pool and the living room flanking the entrance, separated by a double-height staircase that leads to the more private areas. The living room extends to a kitchen on one end, while on the other, it opens up to the expansive garden. This sprawling outdoor space features a cascading rockfall waterfall filled with fish and native plants with a spacious deck adorned with inviting, comfortable seating, including the traditional Indian swing known as a jhula. In this idyllic setting, a harmonious blend of human habitation and natural beauty is evident, where 1/4 of the villa is thoughtfully developed, and the remaining 3/4 of the plot embraces lush green landscapes. The landscape design is a testament to sustainability and conservation, with local species of drought-friendly plants dominating the scenery. These resilient florists thrive with minimal water usage and create a thriving habitat for a diverse array of wildlife, fostering biodiversity in the region. This green oasis is visually stunning and an ecological haven, promoting a deeper connection with the natural world and underlining the vital importance of preserving our fragile ecosystem. This way, the living areas, the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room became a hub for entertaining without intruding into the family's personal spaces. A bedroom within the villa is nestled on one side, granting direct access to the vast garden and lawn, ensuring a private retreat. The primary bedrooms are situated on the next level, prioritizing personal space and tranquility. Every room in the residence features a balcony or a cozy sit-out, ensuring that the lush green surroundings and abundant sunlight are integral components of the overall spatial experience. In terms of materials, the interior design incorporates oak wood and natural stone, creating a harmonious blend that imbues the living spaces with a tactile and well-lived ambience. Among these elements, wood takes a leading role, contributing significantly to the refinement and character the family desired. This natural material is skillfully complemented with exquisite finishes and complemented by contemporary local artworks, textural elements, and a soothing color palette. These choices result in living spaces that are understated yet captivating. Within this intricately detailed framework, custom furniture fashioned from natural stone, wood, and linen is meticulously arranged on coordinating rugs, reflecting the elegant simplicity of the overall design. Every bedroom reflects the individual's unique personality with its calming, neutral color palette.